What's up, everyone? Today I want to tell you the most important thing. If you're just starting trading right now, if it feels difficult, if you're thinking I can't do this, stop. I'm going to tell you something. You are capable of this. And today I'm going to show you exactly why you can achieve success just like others. You know what? Today's most successful traders in the world were once exactly like you. Warren Buffett, he bought his first stock at age 11. And guess what happened? He lost money, but he didn't stop. George Soros, he worked different jobs for years, faced difficulties, made mistakes, but he learned and kept going. Need a closer example? There are successful traders around the world who started from nothing. They also opened a chart for the first time, opened their first trade, lost for the first time. What was the difference between them and you? They weren't smarter. They didn't have more money either. The difference was just one thing. They didn't give up. Is it hard right now? Perfect. You know why. Because if it was easy, everyone would be a trader. Difficulty is a test of your strength. It separates you from weak traders. Let me tell you the truth. The first months will be hard. Not understanding patterns, making mistakes, sometimes losing. This is all normal. But every difficulty teaches you something. Every mistake is a lesson, every loss is experience, every setback is a chance to start fresh. Difficulty doesn't break you. Difficulty builds you. Have you heard the statistics? 90% of traders fail. Some people hear this number and get scared. But I think differently. This number motivates me. Why? Because the 90% simply doesn't put in the effort. They want to get rich quick. They don't want to learn. They have no patience. They give up after the first loss. But you're different. If you're watching this video till the end, it means you want to be in the 10%. And I know you're capable of it. What does it take to be in the 10%? 1. Patience. This is a marathon, not a sprint. 2. Willingness to learn something new every day. 3. Discipline. Sticking to the plan. 4. Consistency. Never stopping. You have all of these. You just need to use them. Let's talk about reality. Trading is not a way to get rich overnight, a magic formula making money without any effort. Trading is a profession that requires hard work, a learning and development process, practice and patience and discipline, a journey of self-discovery. The first 6 months are the hardest, but these 6 months will give you a lifetime skill. Imagine, after 6 months, you can read charts. After 1 year, you understand strategies. After 2 years, you're making consistent profits. After 3 years, you're a professional trader, and it all starts with one decision you make today. Now, here's your exact roadmap. Today, choose one simple strategy like support and resistance. Start practicing on a demo account, open a trading journal, and make your first entry this week. Analyze charts for 30 minutes every day. Watch 5 educational videos. Open your first 10 demo trades this month. Study your chosen strategy deeply. Make at least 50 demo trades. Analyze your mistakes and draw conclusions. Next 3 months, start with small real capital, $50 to $100. Practice emotional control. Achieve consistent results. Remember, learning a little every day greater than spending a lot of time once a week. Quality greater than quantity. 10 good trades better than 100 bad ones. Patience greater than rushing. Let me tell you a story. There was a person. They started trading and lost money in the first month. In the second month too. They made mistakes again and again, but they analyzed every time, learned, made changes. After 6 months, they saw their first profit. Small, but it was THEI or profit. After 1 year, they started making consistent profits. After 2 years, they quit their job and became a full-time trader. This story could be you, but know this path won't be easy. Some days you'll win, some days you'll fall, sometimes you'll feel hopeless, but every time you'll get back up because you are a fighter. You are a learner. You are success-driven. Friends, I want to tell you one last thing. Today is your day. Today you can make a decision. I can't do this, or I will do this and I will succeed. The first step is the hardest step, but after this step, every next step gets easier. My final advice to you: 1. Start today, not tomorrow. not later. Now, 2. Never stop learning something new every day. 3. Don't give up. When difficulties come, remember you're capable. 4. Walk your own path. Don't compare yourself to others. 5. Believe in yourself, in the process, in your success. You are capable of this. You can do this. You will succeed. Just start and keep going. If this video inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe. In upcoming videos, we'll cover trading strategies and practical tips. Remember, every master was once a beginner. You will be a master too. Just don't quit the path. Good luck, stay with us, and let's achieve success together.